Warning: educational content. This video is strictly for educational purposes. All demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment, owned by the creator. Accessing computers, networks, or websites without permission is illegal. The creator assumes no liability for any misuse of the information provided. Stay ethical. Stay secure. Hello and welcome to my channel, Cyber Samurai. Today, we are going to learn how hackers intercept browser requests and send manipulated proxy responses to bypass security. To do this, we will use Burp Suite, a world-renowned interceptor used by penetration testers around the globe. Essentially, Burp Suite acts as a man in the middle. When your browser sends data to a server, Burp Suite catches it first. This allows us to view, pause, and even modify the data before it ever reaches the destination. It is the ultimate tool for finding hidden vulnerabilities in web applications. On the screen, you can see our iStore running on a local server. To simulate this attack, we will open a new terminal and type Burp Suite end. Once the application launches, select Temporary Project and click Next. Then choose Use Burp Defaults and start the suite. Now, navigate to the Proxy tab and make sure Intercept is on. Click Open Browser to launch a pre-configured Chromium window. Type your site link into the address bar and hit Enter. You will notice the site is stuck loading. In reality, it is waiting for your permission because Burp Suite is now in control. Go back to the Burp Suite tab and click forward to let the page load. Go to the Chromium tab and select an item. I'll choose the Apple Vision Pro, priced at $3,490. Click through to the checkout and keep clicking forward in Burp to allow the requests through. Now, input your payment credentials and click Pay. Switch back to the Burp tab immediately. This is where the crime happens. Look at the request body and find the line showing the item name and the price of $34.99. I am going to edit this value to just $1. Click forward one last time. As you can see, the payment is processed successfully. Look at your receipt. You have officially paid only $1 for a $3,500 item. This demonstrates why server-side validation is critical for any online business. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay ethical, stay sharp. This is Cyber Samurai, signing off.